Today, the ANC fumbled local government elections. At Ward 32, Embalendle, Mpumalanga, what was supposed to happen was the representative of the local government elections, which were chosen or which are going to be chosen in November, was supposed to be picked by the community. Everything and all hell broke loose when one candidate came with a slew of drunk young men and women who were going to vote for him. The rules of the voting explicitly stated that no drunk person could partake in the voting. However, it seemed that a large number of young men, young women who were drunk came to vote. And when that candidate's name was mentioned, all of them rushed to the scenes. I have video footage of all of this and I'm going to post it. My question is to the ANC. I'm not an ANC supporter. My question is to the ANC. How do you fumble your local government elections? The meeting was scheduled for 1. At 2 p.m., Khartsimande district called and said, you know what? We're not coming to intervene. We're not coming to invigilate this. You've got it. Do with it what you will. This is region telling this local government, see what you're doing with it. And this is the same ANC that is losing votes. If ANC was serious about getting their votes up, one way or the other, we should not expect a behavior like this. They fumbled local government elections. Not only that, grown men, grown women came to want to attack me. I'm going to post all the footage of this because I am committed to showing you guys what's happening on the ground with local government elections. We are not voting blindly. It is not happening. You cannot go into your ballot box and be willy-nilly about who you're voting for. You must know if the rule of law is followed even on the ground. When that does not happen, you do not vote for that person. I want to show you in detail. I've interviewed people belonging to the opposition as well as the favorite or the favorable candidate. I have also interviewed the MC who was chairing the event. I also got a footage and snippet of the opposition, the man accused of giving people alcohol in exchange for votes, and his speech to his team. I have footage of everything and I'm going to post it and to stitch it together. But I want you, South Africa, to know what's going on the ground as we rush. Reporting live from local elections, the community at Extension 11 in Embalendle gathered here today to sort of pick who was going to stand as their councillor. However, things went out of control when a suspected group of people that were bought by a candidate came here and turned things around. I'm going to attach footage. It's a mess in here.
ungabi khona ukuthi ikhansela mabe ukuthi uthola ama vote and so forth kube khona lento ukuthi usithengele utshwala umuntu uyiphuzele yena ikhansela zangakhipha imali ukuthi athenge nabantu utshwala trust me trust you
mina ngikhalela ugodo sisoma kunabantu abadala bakhona akekho ababhekile abantu abadala ukuthi wala bawuda abantu abadala labantu baxoxa ukusuka le bezini ukuthi vota abantu abadala and ngaphandle kwabantu abadala sikho yiba bayazi ensisuka
ngikhetha abantwana thina abanikazi bemizi esineyikini emzinethi why thina singakhetha labantwana abahlala phansi kwephatha lethu labanye bavotisayo labavotisela ukwenzela abantwana abancane ngoba thina silindele ukuthi kuzovota thina bomama sivoti vota abantwana abancane bahlala evotini bathengela abatshwala bazovota ayihambi kanjani
ivota abuye le yanto yama-ballot paper cause last savota silence futhi nge-ballot paper sakhosa usilence e-ballot paper kungekho umuntu obonayo akwenziwe same thing leyo nto leyo kanjalo ungaloko ngikhetha umuntu omusha
Bonela ngi. Yebo. Bonela ngi. Yebo. Moya. Phansi. Focus ingwane kumele sibhekane nayo. Yile what esihlala kuyo. Yebo. Besifuna ukuthi what 32 kube nokulungisa.
Today, and how did the day go?
mama lana siu-ANC besibize umhlangano wabahlali base-Ward 32 okuyi-extension 11 ne-extension 26 abaphinde babe abavoti baka-ANC. Khumbula lana besingezange ukuzokhetha ikhansela kodwa besizo-introducer ama-candidate awu-4 esawakhetha su-ANC. Sifikile-ke emphakathini esifike sakunothisa kulo mphakathi 1 abantu bathengelwe utshwala. Sinama evidence yabantu abathengelwe utshwala. Abantu kunomama osukela wathi uthendisiwe istand 26 wathi unezintande ezu-160 abazozinika. Thina ke siu-ANC mama sifila ukuthi we are short-changing umphakathi. Mina bengiyi-electoral office sahlala siu-ANC siyabaholi abaholi bafila ukuthi ngibiased. I voluntarily withdraw myself. Namhlanje ubona ngiphethe i-mic ngizama ukunika i-direction ye-meeting ngoba i-region umuntu obekumele eze la akafika. Umyalezo asinike wona ukuthi nibadala nizokwazi ukuzilawula lo mhlangano. I-candidate ne-candidate alibe nabantu balo ababili abazogada i-process ukuthi ihamba kahle. While senza lokho, I foresee a vast of young people who are drunk, aphuzile. 2 la umuntu oza kule meeting it's either uyilungile ANC or uhlale 26 ukhona kwi voters roll, you prove ukuthi ngihlala la ukhona ku voters roll, because it says the danger esizoyithola ngokufaka noma ubani kuzofika i-opposition ithuma abantu bayo ifike i-distract. Uyabona manje ngicela ukubona umuntu we-opposition, I'm not going to call by names, edlula la ebeyiphathi yale meeting kunabantu esibazi ukuthi bakwi-opposition man. We cannot allow that. Mina I don't want to be cancelled. I'm the official lakamasipala, ngiyimember ye-ANC in good standing, ngiseva ku-BEC ye-ANC. So into engaqondanga ngoba lo muntu enizoshiya naye kuyomele thina sihambise umcampaign. Kuyomele sihambise umcampaign. Ucampaigna kanjani umuntu ongena trust kuye le processes? Hence sithi decide ukuthi asihlehliseni kubuye laba abantu base-ML aba-neutral. Lento ibe ne-order, sithole indawo evalekile emnyango, kube ne-control yokungena. Kube ne-control yokungena. Ilokho engakusho sisi wami. I-process isitoshiwe ngokuvumelana ubuholi baka-ANC. Yabona.
Okay, what will happen to the candidate osola ukuthi uthembisa abantu izinto ukhohesa amavoti? What will happen to the candidate?